In this problem, we have four states of the world: boom, good, poor, and bust. We have the probabilities of each of these states and the returns that we would get for three stocks, A, B, and C, in each of these states. Part A asks, your portfolio is invested 29% each in A and C and 42% in B. What is the expected return on the portfolio? To do this, first, we're going to calculate the return of the portfolio in each state of the world. To do this, I can use the portfolio expected return template. Boom, bust. What was the name for that? Poor, boom, good, poor, and bust. Portfolio weight. Remember, portfolio return is the weighted sum of return of each asset. So I can use the portfolio expected return in this case. Portfolio expected return template. And let's remember the weights. Uh, 29 in A and C and 42 in B. Or I'm sorry, this is stock A, stock B, stock C, 0.29, 0.29, and 0.42. First, let's do the boom case. 35.8, 45.8, 33.8. No, 45.8. So in the boom state of the world, portfolio given by these weights is going to return 37.86%. So let's do this. Stats for portfolio. Now let's enter the boom, good, poor, bust. Let's enter the probabilities of those. 1743 and 0.07. Now we calculated the return in the case of boom, 37.86. Now let's do the same thing for the good. In the good case, returns are 12.8, 10.8, 17.8. That's the expected return of the portfolio in the good case. Uh, 1432. Let's do the same thing for the poor case. 1.8, 2.8, negative 0.062. Let's make sure you got it right. Hence, in the poor case, portfolio is going to return negative 1.27. I can copy and paste the value here. Oops, just the values. Now let's do it for the bus case. Negative 11.8, negative 25.8, negative 9.8. or 9.8. And in the bus case, portfolio is going to return negative 1502. Copy and paste the values. Now we can read off whatever we need. 11.12% is the expected value. That's for part A. For part B, that's the variance. Remember, the units of variance are squared, so it's not easy to interpret, but units of standard deviation is the same as the units of the expected value. As for part C, standard deviation is 1498.